case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a legal precedent-setting showdown between 2,300 full-time delivery drivers and their employer FedEx, a U.S. court finally handed down its decision in the Alexander versus FedEx Ground Package System, Inc. case in 2014. At the core of the dispute was the classification of FedEx drivers as independent contractors, a point of contention as drivers claimed the considerable level of control FedEx exacted over their workload, working hours, and appearance meant they were, in fact, employees. Despite FedEx's steadfast assertion that the drivers were singular entities, the evidence placed substantial weight on the drivers' argument. This came in part from the operating agreement, which stood as compelling evidence supporting the drivers' assertions. Moreover, drivers also lodged claims for employment expenses and unpaid wages, which further underscored their employee status. Adding complexity to the issue was a previous decision by a lower court, which had granted a summary judgment in favor of FedEx. The drivers then challenged this judgment, taking their fight to the United States Court of Appeals for the Ninth Circuit. The court deliberated on the right to control test, an affirming doctrine that deemed a worker to be an employee if an employer wielded considerable control over their work situation. The court found that the degree of control exercised by FedEx exceeded that typically required by an independent contractor, concluding that the drivers were indeed employees. The judgment effectively lifted the previous district court's decision. The court reversed a summary judgment in favor of FedEx, instead instructing the lower court to enter a summary judgment affirming drivers' employee status. The landmark decision was a significant victory for FedEx drivers and a warning to businesses exploiting the line between employees and independent contractors.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of climb.